I'm Julien Dalsuc. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Bondzai. And today I'm thrilled to present you IDTech 4.0, which is our edge software for sound-based quality control and predictive maintenance. So I suppose that you have some quality problems, or even worse, you have some production downtime problems. Indeed, today, the poor quality costs more than 15% of the sales revenue to the companies. And if you look at the top 500 leaders in industry, the downtime could cost them $1.5 trillion. So it's huge. It's a real problem. So today, the main solution remains the operators. It's the main asset for the industrial. And if you ask them, the operator will say you that they rely mainly on the ear to detect the problems. Why? For three reasons. First reason, with the sound, you detect the problem earlier. When you see the problem, it's too late. With the ear, you detect the problem earlier. Second thing is that most of the machines today are behind covers. And so you cannot see the machine. You can hear the machine, you cannot see them. So ear is very efficient for that. And third reason is that when you listen to the machine with the ear, you can do something else at the same time. So here it's very natural to monitor the machines. But if you look at the market today, there is no software for sound-based quality control. Why? Because it's a very hard problem for computers. First, the factories have a very loud noise, always more than 90 decibels, and the noise is changing all the time. So it's very hard for a computer to adapt. Second thing, the data is rare, and it takes a long time to have a data set, a quality data set. It takes several months to collect the data, particularly for the defects. And third thing, if you put the same machine in different places in the factory, the sound will be different. So you need a different model for each machine, even if it's the same model. So it's very hard to manage for AI. So what we propose is a new AI with a new mathematic, and which can learn directly on the machine. So it learns the machine in the context where it is. And each time it will create a new model for this typical machine. Our technology is very frugal. It doesn't need a lot of data. You can start with an empty database and learn the machine on the field directly. And at the end, the model needs something like 10 or 20 records to be operational. And third thing, what we propose is a local model management. And so in 1 to 5 days, you can adapt an existing model to a new machine. So with the help of the operator, we learn the new defects and we are able to adapt. And this is what we propose. So how does it look like? It's a simple software, standard software that you install on a low-end PC. No need of GPU, nothing. It's very, very easy. On one side, you connect to the PLC to communicate with the machine. On the other side, you put up to 5 microphones to listen to the machine, and then you put the microphone in strategic places on the machine. And third thing, you need a screen to interact with the operator. And this is what you have on the screen. So it's a very simple UI. So you have the you have the status of the machine, and if there is an error in the detection, the operator can correct it. And once it's corrected, there is another feature of the other software, which is our pivotal feature. It's that you can manage the models locally. And what it means that in 10 minutes you can generate a new model. You are driven through a few steps, 2 or 3 steps, and then you generate a new model, and that will adapt to the new conditions. And here you can see the UI for that. So it's very simple, and anybody can do that. It's more. You need to be from the business more than you don't need a data scientist or AI expert to do that. And last thing is that everything, if you want to deploy a new software on a new machine, we have a SaaS software that is, at the same time, it's no code, so it's just you click on things and you configure your software. and you can install a new agent on a new machine very easily, and you don't need no expert. So our goal is to propose this to any company, even the smaller, because you don't need cloud, you don't need expert, you don't need a lot of time to collect data. So it's very easy. In a few weeks, you're operational. So what you have to remind that Soon is very effective for quality control. Today it's not used because it's very difficult to use, and we have the solution for that. We have the solution because we can adapt very fast to the new environments. And third thing, thanks to our management, local management models, everybody can do that. You don't need experts, you need only professional, you need expert operators, no expert data scientists. And fourth thing, you are totally autonomous in deploying those agents because we have a software on the cloud that will help you deploy those agents very easily. So we are just over there, we have a nice demo, and if you have problems, we have solutions, you can come and see us. If you have questions, I'm available. Thank you.